thought that it would make sense to talk a little bit about how the standards of review and appealability really have an effect on your case. And by that I mean in effect not just whether you win or lose something, but in terms of money. There's a couple different standards that courts apply when they are deciding matters that are before them. One of those standards is de novo review, and the other standard is abuse of discretion. Now, de novo review means that the reviewing court, the appellate court, if you take an appeal, that the appellate court is going to look at the whole thing fresh based on the record. An abuse of discretion standard is a very deferential standard. Abuse of discretion means that the trial judge who heard the case originally did something that was so out of the norm that the appellate court feels that it has to step in. Typical things that are subject to an abuse of discretion standard are issues of credibility, evidence that's admitted or not admitted, some jury charge issues. Jury charge, I mean instructions that are given to a jury. There are a host of them. They're very key, though. They often involve facts that the judge has had an opportunity to get firsthand and to evaluate firsthand. So the other thing that you have to consider is what can be reviewed, what can't be reviewed, and most importantly is the statistical evidence that most cases settle. Not just most cases, but the overwhelming majority of cases settle. What happens frequently is that courts will avoid making decisions because of two things. One, not making a decision is often not something that can be reviewed by an appellate court and be reversed. And second of all, the courts know that the overwhelming probability is that the case is going to settle. The parties are going to compromise this dispute, and ultimately that the issue that's before them is going to become moot.